guys, I'm Debasree. I am a beauty YouTuber. I am recreating Rina Dhaka's Runway show's look, which is inspired by Frida Kahlo. I have my base and my hair ready. So this look is all about the bold lip, really flush cheek with nude eyes. I'm going to use the Illuminating eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use one shade all over my eyes. I'm also going to use a lighter shade on my inner corner. So applying a little bit underneath on my lower lash line, just to give the look a little bit of depth. So for my cheeks, I am going to use this shade called Coral Blush and apply it onto the apples of my cheek. I think that looks about right. Okay, so let's move on to the lips. I'm going to use the Lakmé Absolute Matte Revolution lipsticks. I'm going to use the Dynamite Berry. That's the base. It was so easy to apply. Love the formula and the texture. It is so lightweight. Let's move on to Bombshell Red. I'm going to apply that right on the center. It's just going to add a little bit of dimension to the berry shade that we have applied. And that's it. This is the finished look.